Hi everyone. Okay, so I just filmed my 4th of July haul, and I didn't clean off my desk because I need to get this stuff taken care of because my husband will be home for a couple of days and I don't film while he's home. So, oh my gosh, how cute. This is a s'mores set. Oh, how cute. Oh, and you get a freebie. Ooh, and the freebie is stickers. Oh, I love the stickers. Hope we can get together. Oh, why is it so? Oh, you know why? Because I have it straight on. Sorry, guys. I'm like, why does it seem a little bit more glary? It's because I was using it for cutting. My lights for cutting. Cute. Okay. And then this, oh, so cute. It's called S'mores to Stamp. Let's Get Toasted. Oh, how cute is that? Let's Get Toasted, sending you some more love. You are appreciated more than you know. How cute. And then look at the chocolate bar. So you got the chocolate bar, the graham cracker, the marshmallow, and the gooiness of the marshmallow. And you have the matching die set. So this is, oh, and you get the chocolate bar. That's cool. So $26. That's how much this stamp and die set is, and you get 10% off, I think, anything out of the store with your membership, which I think is fantastic. So I utilize it every so often. And then let's do Felicity Jane, because I've had this box here for a couple weeks now, or a week, and I need to get it out of here. I need to get it put away. So let's see what we got. Doesn't it seem like I just hauled this stuff? Isn't that funny? Unboxed it, I mean. So, oh good. So they're not doing the paper, the shred right now. So they're doing this, which I dig. I dig, I dig, I dig. Okay, whoops. Sorry guys, I hit you. Okay, let's see. Oh, look at how beautiful this collection is. It is so pretty. It's Emma. It's Emma is the name of this collection. How cute. And then, oh, you get ampersands. Right? That's what that is. I hate when I do that because I'm like all confident and then I'm like, wait a minute, is it? And then next thing I know, I'm like, oh my god, it's probably not. So I think it is, but then now I'm double guessing. So if I said it wrong, it's just because I'm a dork. So if I said it right and I'm questioning myself, it's because I'm a dork. So these are cut apart, so you can totally cut these apart, hence cut apart. So yes, I find myself funny, and only I find myself funny. I'm the only one laughs at my own jokes. So I just sit here like a little hyena all day long. And hey, they are ampersands. So I was right. Yes. Thank you for spelling that out. And then we have chipboard book plates. Oh, these are new. I like-y. They're pretty cool. Yep, chipboard book plates. Nice. Good job, Felicity Jane. Oh, I love their chipboard alphabets. And these should have numbers. Yes, they have numbers. And they're heavy duty. That's how come. I'm like, yeah, heavy dutiness. Okay, so that was it for, oh, I just threw washi tape at myself. So they have the washi. It's a peach. It's a peachy. Oh, look how beautiful, you guys. This is beautiful. And this is also, this is $46. $46, I think. So, I mean, I think it's like 45 and change is what I'm thinking. So, oh, look at how they have the color thing. I love when they do this too. That is, look at how bright and beautiful. I love bright and beautiful. I like big and beautiful too, if you just want to know. So, oh, these are cut aparts with the tags. How cute. Very creative. Look how beautiful this is, you guys. It is really nice. And then you can fussy cut these. These are big enough too. Back. You have hearts. The peach that matches the washi. Yellow. More peaches. They should have named it Georgia. That would have been cute. How cute. Oh, look at this green. This green is good. I like this green. Oh, nice, Felicity Jane. Look at that. But we need 2 of them, though. Darn it. Whenever they put stuff like this on, I always think, well, I always buy 2 when it comes to, like, simple stories. So we need 2 next time, Felicity. So, yay. Okay, love the collection. Beautiful. Yep, love it. All right, guys, take care. We'll see you all probably in a couple weeks. Bye.